equations in two variables. Friends, you must see teacher writing some equations on the blackboard. For example, x plus 2y is equal to 0. A is equal to 4b minus 7. X upon 3 plus y upon 5 is equal to 11. And y is equal to 5x plus 2. Observe these equations. These are the linear equations in two variables. These are called linear equations in two variables as these are first-degree equations and have two variables. These equations have infinitely many solutions. The standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, or either of a or b is equal to 0, then the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will not remain a linear equation in two variables. But if c is equal to 0, the equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 reduces to ax plus by is equal to 0 and remains linear equation in two variables. In this chapter, we will learn about methods of solving linear equations in two variables, graphical method, Cramer's method, equations that can be transformed in linear equation in two variables, application of simultaneous equations. Let's recall. Linear equation in two variables. An equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. A, b, c are real numbers and a, b are not equal to 0 at the same time. Example, 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 is the general form of equation 3x is equal to 4y minus 12. Activity. Complete the following table. Number 1. Equation 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Number 2. Equation 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Number 3. Equation root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes. Number 4. Equation 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Number 5. Equation 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Number 6. Equation 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Number 7. Equation 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No. Simultaneous linear equations. When we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time, they are called simultaneous equations. Last year, we learned to solve simultaneous equations by eliminating one variable. Let us revise it. Example 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Solution. Method 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Equation 1. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Equation 2. Multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3. 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Equation 3. Now let us add equations 1 and 3. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 plus 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. 14x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 2. 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, 3 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. It is also written as x, y is equal to 1 minus 1. Method 2. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Equation 1. 3x plus y is equal to 2. Equation 2. Let us write value of y in terms of x from equation 2 as y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Equation 3. Substituting this value of y in equation 1. 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Therefore, 5x minus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. Therefore, 5x minus 6 plus 9x is equal to 8. Therefore, 14x minus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, 14x is equal to 8 plus 6. Therefore, 14x is equal to 14. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 3. Y is equal to 2 minus 3x. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 is the solution. Example 2. Solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. 5x minus y is equal to 18. Solution 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Equation 1. And 5x minus y is equal to 18. Equation 2. Let's solve the equations by eliminating y. Fill suitably the boxes below. Multiplying equation 2 by 2. Therefore, 5x multiplied by 2 minus y multiplied by 2 is equal to 18 multiplied by 2. Therefore, 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Equation 3. Let's add equations 1 and 3. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29 plus 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Therefore, 13x is equal to 65. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Therefore, 2y is equal to 14. Therefore, y is equal to 7. X, y is equal to 5, 7 is the solution. Example 3. Solve 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Solution 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. Equation 1. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Equation 2. In the two equations above, the coefficients of x and y are interchanged. While solving such equations, we get two simple equations by adding and subtracting the given equations. After solving these equations, we can easily find the solution. Let's add the two given equations. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. Plus 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Dividing both sides of the equation by 32. X plus y is equal to 1. Equation 3. Now, let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 minus 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. We get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Dividing the equation by 2, minus x plus y is equal to 5. Equation 4. Now, let's add equations 3 and 4. X plus y is equal to 1 plus minus x plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Place this value in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. xy is equal to minus 2, 3 is the solution.